Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. Gold, 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 my fellow friends, because if this fails here, guys, we have a lot more downside to come. Plus, also, let's go have a look at the markets right now. And also, I want to share with you a quick short-term trade that I've just recently completed with my inner circle members, and I'll share that with you. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so I'll get straight into gold first, then I'll look at the stock market, then I'll get into that trade that I've just completed, or that I've just done today with me and my clients. So let's actually go have a look at the market. So gold right now has done basically nothing through here, looking at the gold market through there. So what's happened? Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot. I need to promote my business, guys. All right, the sponsor of this video is my free trading course. go get the free trading course, guys, if you need some help. And I joined my webinar that I'm actually running today as well too. As soon as you put your email address in, you'll get your details to that webinar that I'm running today. That I'm going to teach you all the details to my trading system. That actually, netted a nice result for me today as well too. So go do that. So let's go have a look at this here. So the whole thing about what's going on with gold right now is that we're holding here. Look at this here. So gold in the past has definitely found a lot of resistance, and now we've actually broken back down. If gold cannot start to get back above this area through here, if we cannot start to get back above this 1700 level through here, and we fail, and we start to do something like this, and then we start to do something like this, guess what? Bump out, right? It's gonna be, we're probably gonna see another movement down like this on gold. Okay, so possibly get ready for that. If we fail here, if this fails to rally, we are in for a big drop in the gold price through here. But if we do for some reason start to get back above, especially this overall triangle pattern through here, you can see this level through here. If we do start to break above this level through here, we start to get back up above, say, 1750, then we're probably due for a very big move on the upside. Move over now through the good old stocky market. Bit of an update on the stocky market. And the trend is your friend until the end. And when you know what the trend is, make sure you are friends with it, because this is a friend you do not want to go. This is the friend you do not want to be on the wrong side of. Because do you have any of those friends, guys? Let's bring up some drawing tools, eh? Look at this here. High, lower high, lower high. Look at the moving average. Strong trending moving average on the downside. For you guys that have been watching me for quite some time, you guys have seen me use countless examples that when we have a nice longer term moving average trending down like this, guess what? It's very strong movement on the downside. So trying to fight this market right now is very risky. High, lower high, lower high. The trend is down. You don't want to be fighting it. Oh, but John, the bottom's coming in. The bottom's coming in. The bottom's coming in. John, you don't understand. Man, I read that. John, you're an idiot, John. You don't understand. Like, I read this Commitment Traders report, and the Commitment Traders report says you're wrong. John, you don't understand. You don't understand, John. The fundamentals, right? You got it all wrong, John. You have no idea what you're talking about. John, the Fed, they're going to pivot soon. How could you say the market's bearish? No, the market's rigged. That's wrong. John, I'm just a shit trader and I have no idea what I'm talking about, and I'm rejuvenating a whole bunch of bullshit that I've learned from YouTube. John, that's me. Just be honest, guys, okay? Just be honest. Just stick to the charts, guys. Stick to the charts, not the farts. All right? The Commitment Traders report, which I hope you realize, because someone said that back here, right? Back when we had this last rally through here. Someone said, "Oh, John, the Commitment Traders report says you're wrong. Gold's gonna go up." You were just hoping. You were hoping for the market to go up. No. All right, so the whole purpose about that, guys, on a serious note, I'm just having a bit of fun with you guys. Just whenever you see a good, strong trending market like this, guys, just don't fight it, right? Just don't fight it. Don't if you're trading the markets, don't try to go against it. Okay? Just don't try and go against it. So that's what I wanted to share with you there, guys. And then I want to just talk to you about this trade that I did just recently. Very, very, very nice short-term trade for me. Just in and out really, really quickly. And it gave me a really nice profit. And so we can see through here that, by the way, guys, if you actually want to know the actual full details of this trading system, it takes me about probably a good 20 minutes or so walking through that. Make sure you go over to that John's free gift, very first thing in the description. When you go register for the free trading course, you got to get access to my next webinar that I'm running, and I'll teach you the full details of my trading system here. But this is the trade that I actually did. I trade all the time, guys. I don't normally talk about the trades that I actually do because I like to keep that private between me and my private clients, because that's what they get for being a private client. But I wanted to share this with you here. So, as I said before in today's video, what is this? So the first thing for me is I'm looking for a strong trend, right? So I'm looking for a high, lower high. I'm looking for some sort of strong trend. Cool, strong trend. What's the moving average doing? Strong down. Beautiful, strong down, right? Then we have this nice, good pullback to the moving average. So I entered there and I exited there. This is what's called a short-term cash flow trade, right? This is a short-term cash flow trade. In one day, out the next day. Now, by the way, guys, this whole trade here took a maximum of 1 hour worth of looking at the market. Half an hour yesterday. That's all. I only trade half an hour a day. Half an hour yesterday to do my scans, look for the trades, place the trades. And then guess what? Today, half an hour, money to trade, get out of the trade, nice profit, thank you very much, rinse, recycle, repeat, make money, right? It's actually not that complicated. It really is not that complicated. So there's one trade there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful follow through today on this trade here. And again, this type of trade, I have two types of trades. One's more of a longer term trade where I'll let the profits run, where sometimes I'm in it for 3 or 4 weeks, sometimes longer, right? That's that longer term trades. And the short term trades, I'm in and out some days, like this one here. I'm in one day and then I'm out the next day. Nice short-term profit, and it's what I call a cash flow generator because they're they generally make profit pretty quickly. And then you're on to the next trade. Again, you're on to the next to find the next trade there. So I hope this helps you out there today, traders. Just make sure, guys. The whole thing about, as you can see here, right, like. You can see I do my market updates, okay? So I do my gold updates and I can do my stock market updates. I do all these updates, right, for you, okay? So as you can do, I do my updates. But when it comes to my trading, when I actually trade the market, I trade with a set of rules. And as you can see, a lot of the rules I teach you, right? So what I walked you through with stocking market, right, and gold. What did I say? Rule number 1 is what? What's the trend? Lower highs, higher lows. So that's the stuff that I use within my system, okay? So again, if you would like to learn more about my actual trading system that I used, if you want to learn the full details about this system, because it takes about probably 20 minutes to break down the 4 rules that I look for, and you'll be able to see all the details, then make sure that very first thing in the description, guys, click on that. Go get access to my free trading course I'm giving away. You're going to get access to the free trading course, which is going to help you with your biggest mistakes you're making, your foundations, your chart reading techniques, management, so on and so forth. And then you're also going to get access to a webinar that I'm running real soon. That also on the webinar, I'm going to teach you the full details to my trading system. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to teach you for 100% free. I'm going to teach you all the details so you too can start to know what to look for in these markets. And guess what, guys? Guess what? For me to make this trade, guess what I used? Just what you're looking at right now. The market, volume, and one moving average. I didn't even really need volume. Because whatever volume was doing, it wasn't really here or there, right? So literally all I used for this trade was the charts and one moving average, and you can get a really good success rate with your trading. So if you are right now following all these bumblebees on YouTube saying you need the counter channel and this indicator and that indicator and this trend line and that trend line and this trend line and that trend line, guys, no, you don't, right? Just keep it really simple, right? I used to be very, very overcomplicated, and I used to have all this sort of stuff here, okay? This is how I used to trade. if I look at my charts, let's go to here, right? This is how I used to trade. This is how I used to trade, right? Used to trade, and I sucked big dog's ass. Now, this is how I trade. Guess what? 70% success rate. Actually, maybe 60%, maybe 50%. Horrible trader, right? Making very little money, struggling. This is how I trade. Make good money, doing really well. So anyway, guys, I hope you can see, right? Just keep it really simple. If you don't need the RSI, the stochastics, all that sort of stuff. You just need one simple system and then your patience.